Welcome to the United Kingdom, a land where ancient history whispers from every stone and breathtaking natural beauty unfolds around every bend. This remarkable island nation is a vibrant tapestry woven from centuries of human endeavor, dramatic landscapes, and a culture that resonates across the globe. Prepare to embark on an unforgettable journey, one that promises to captivate the heart of every traveler, historian, and nature enthusiast. The United Kingdom offers a wealth of breathtaking destinations, each with its own unique charm and story. From the rugged peaks of Scotland to the sun-drenched shores of Cornwall, and from the bustling streets of London to the tranquil villages of the Cotswolds, diversity is its hallmark. This is a place where every visit promises a new discovery, an inspiring vista, or a profound connection to the past. For those who seek solace and adventure in the embrace of the natural world, the United Kingdom stands as an unparalleled paradise. Its varied topography presents an astonishing array of environments, each inviting exploration and wonder. From the wild, untamed expanses to the gently rolling hills, nature's artistry is on full display. Journey north to the majestic Scottish Highlands, a region defined by its raw, untamed beauty. Here, rugged mountains pierce the sky, their ancient forms carved by glaciers and time. The air is crisp, carrying the scent of heather and the promise of adventure. Shimmering lochs, deep and mysterious, lie nestled within these dramatic landscapes, reflecting the ever-changing Scottish skies. These vast bodies of water, like Loch Ness, add to the region's allure, inviting contemplation and exploration. The sheer scale of the wilderness here is humbling, offering a true escape from the modern world. Glencoe, often hailed as the Glen of Weeping, is a particularly iconic part of the Highlands. Its towering peaks and deep, U-shaped valleys are a hiker's dream, offering challenging trails and views that will forever be etched in your memory. The dramatic scenery tells tales of ancient geological forces and historical events. Moving south into England, the Lake District National Park presents a gentler, yet equally captivating, beauty. This beloved region is characterized by its picturesque lakes, each with its own distinct character, inviting serene boat trips or invigorating swims. The tranquil waters are framed by verdant hillsides. Rolling hills, cloaked in emerald green, undulate across the landscape, providing endless opportunities for leisurely walks or challenging hikes. Quaint, charming villages are tucked into the valleys, their stone cottages and welcoming pubs offering a warm respite. The Lake District is an idyllic setting for outdoor pursuits. Whether you prefer walking through ancient woodlands, cycling along scenic routes, or boating on the serene waters, the Lake District caters to all. Its natural splendor has inspired poets and artists for centuries, and its timeless appeal continues to draw visitors seeking peace and natural grandeur. Further southwest, Cornwall offers a dramatic coastal escape, where the land meets the sea in spectacular fashion. Here, towering cliffs plunge into the Atlantic, sculpted by the relentless power of the ocean. The views from the cliff tops are simply breathtaking, stretching endlessly across the horizon. Cornwall's stunning beaches, from secluded coves to expansive golden sands, are perfect for surfing, sunbathing, or simply strolling along the water's edge. The unique light and vibrant colors of the Cornish coast create an atmosphere of pure exhilaration and tranquility. This region truly embodies the spirit of coastal adventure. Crossing the Irish Sea to Northern Ireland, you will encounter the geological marvel of the Giant's Causeway. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is an extraordinary natural formation of hexagonal basalt columns, perfectly interlocked as if crafted by a mythical giant. The sheer symmetry and scale are awe-inspiring. The Giant's Causeway is a testament to the Earth's incredible power and artistry, a place where geology meets legend. Walking among these ancient stones, you can almost hear the echoes of giants and feel the immense forces that shaped this unique landscape. It is a truly significant natural wonder. For history buffs, The United Kingdom is an unparalleled treasure trove, its rich past etched into countless landmarks and sites across the land. Every corner of this nation holds stories of kings and queens, battles and triumphs, innovations and revolutions. Prepare to step back in time and immerse yourself in centuries of human drama. In the heart of Wiltshire, England, stands Stonehenge, a prehistoric monument that continues to baffle and fascinate. These colossal standing stones, arranged in a mysterious circle, have stood for millennia, their purpose still debated by scholars and archaeologists. It is a powerful symbol of ancient human ingenuity. Stonehenge remains an enigma, sparking endless curiosity about the people who built it and the rituals performed within its sacred bounds. Visiting this ancient site is a profound experience, connecting you to a distant past and the enduring mysteries of human civilization. Its presence is truly monumental. Perched majestically atop an extinct volcanic crag, Edinburgh Castle dominates the skyline of Scotland's capital city. This iconic fortress has witnessed centuries of Scottish history, from royal births and deaths to fierce sieges and grand celebrations. Its walls hold countless tales of power and resilience. From its commanding position, Edinburgh Castle offers panoramic views across the historic city, stretching out to the Firth of Forth and beyond. Exploring its ancient halls, chapels, and dungeons provides a vivid glimpse into the lives of Scottish monarchs and the turbulent history of the nation. It is a truly inspiring landmark. In the heart of London, the formidable Tower of London stands as a testament to England's dramatic past. Once a royal palace, a formidable fortress, and a notorious prison, its stone walls have witnessed some of the most pivotal moments in British history. The tower's dark tales are as captivating as its grandeur. Within its ancient confines, the Tower of London houses the magnificent crown jewels, sparkling symbols of royal power and heritage. Every tower, every courtyard, and every exhibit tells tales of intrigue, betrayal, and the relentless pursuit of power. It is a place where history truly comes alive. Journey to the city of Bath, where the remarkably well-preserved Roman baths offer a fascinating insight into the ancient world. These elaborate thermal spas, built by the Romans over natural hot springs, were once a thriving center of social and ritual life. Their engineering and grandeur are astonishing. Walking through the Roman baths, you can almost hear the echoes of ancient voices and imagine the daily routines of Roman citizens. This site provides a unique and tangible connection to a sophisticated civilization that shaped much of Europe. It is an educational and deeply immersive historical experience. Beyond its natural wonders and historic sites, the United Kingdom boasts a plethora of vibrant cities and major tourist attractions, each offering a distinct flavor of British life. From global metropolises to charming literary towns, there is a destination to suit every interest and passion. London, the dynamic capital, stands as a global hub of culture, finance, and innovation. This sprawling metropolis is home to an unparalleled collection of iconic landmarks that are instantly recognizable worldwide. Its energy is infectious, and its diversity is captivating. Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the monarch, is a symbol of British royalty and tradition. Witnessing the changing of the guard is a quintessential London experience, a display of pomp and pageantry that draws crowds from across the globe. The palace exudes regal splendor. The majestic Big Ben, the iconic clock tower of the Houses of Parliament, is a timeless symbol of London and British democracy. Its resonant chimes are a familiar sound, marking the passage of time in this bustling city. It stands as a proud architectural masterpiece. The London Eye, a colossal Ferris wheel on the south bank of the River Thames, offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city's skyline. From its capsules, you can see countless landmarks stretching out beneath you, providing a unique perspective on London's vastness. It is an unforgettable experience. The British Museum, a world-renowned institution, houses an extraordinary collection of human history, art, and culture from across the globe. Its vast halls contain treasures from ancient civilizations, offering an unparalleled journey through time and human achievement. It is a truly enriching experience. Similarly, the National Gallery, located in Trafalgar Square, boasts one of the world's greatest collections of Western European paintings. From masterpieces of the Renaissance to Impressionist gems, it offers an inspiring journey through centuries of artistic genius. Art lovers will find endless delight here. For literature lovers, Stratford-upon-Avon is a pilgrimage site, being the birthplace of William Shakespeare, the world's most celebrated playwright. This charming market town preserves the houses and gardens associated with Shakespeare's life, offering a tangible connection to his enduring legacy. It is a truly special place. Exploring Shakespeare's family homes, including his birthplace and Anne Hathaway's cottage, provides a fascinating glimpse into the life and times of the bard. The Royal Shakespeare Company performs his plays in the town, ensuring his words continue to resonate with new generations. It is a must-visit for anyone passionate about literature. Further north, Liverpool is a vibrant city with a rich maritime history and an undeniable cultural impact. It is famously the home of the Beatles, the legendary band that revolutionized popular music. The city's musical heritage is celebrated everywhere, from museums to live music venues. Liverpool offers a unique cultural experience, blending its industrial past with a thriving contemporary arts scene. Its friendly atmosphere, iconic waterfront, and passionate locals make it a truly engaging destination. The city's spirit is infectious, inviting visitors to explore its many facets. The United Kingdom's appeal extends far beyond its specific, celebrated locations, encompassing a diverse tapestry of landscapes and experiences that captivate every traveler. Its charm lies not just in its grand monuments, but in the subtle beauty of its everyday scenes and the warmth of its people. Consider the rolling hills of the Cotswolds, an area of outstanding natural beauty, characterized by its idyllic honey-colored stone villages and gentle, undulating landscapes. This region offers a quintessential English countryside experience, perfect for leisurely drives and peaceful walks. Its timeless beauty is truly enchanting. Then there is the dramatic coastline of Wales, a land of ancient castles, rugged cliffs, and sweeping sandy beaches. The Welsh Coast Path offers incredible hiking opportunities, revealing breathtaking vistas and a deep connection to Celtic history and folklore. Its wild beauty is utterly captivating. Throughout your journey, you will encounter friendly locals, eager to share their stories and traditions. The warmth and humor of the British people add an invaluable dimension to the travel experience, making every interaction memorable and welcoming. Their hospitality is a true highlight. No visit to the UK is complete without experiencing the cozy pubs, the heart of many communities. These traditional establishments offer a warm atmosphere, delicious food, and a wide selection of local ales and ciders. They are perfect places to relax, socialize, and soak in the local culture. The United Kingdom also boasts a readily available and efficient public transport network, making it easy to navigate between its diverse regions. Trains connect major cities, while local buses serve smaller towns and rural areas, ensuring accessibility to even the most remote beauty spots. Travel is convenient and straightforward. Whether you seek thrilling adventure in the mountains, serene relaxation by a tranquil lake, or a deep dive into centuries of history, the United Kingdom delivers. It is a destination that caters to every desire, offering a rich and varied tapestry of experiences. Every visit promises new discoveries. From the ancient mysteries of Stonehenge to the vibrant energy of London, and from the wild beauty of the Scottish Highlands to the charming villages of the Cotswolds, the UK provides a truly captivating travel experience. It is a land of endless wonder, inviting you to explore its depths and create memories that will last a lifetime. Come, discover the magic of the United Kingdom.